All right, guys, so today we're going to be adjusting a gentleman that I've been seeing for about a month now. He's a 23-year-old soccer player. He plays here at a local league in the Atlanta area. He came in initially with a lot of low back pain, right hip pain that was really affecting the way he was playing. He had decreased range of motion. He didn't feel like that he could run to the same capacity that he was before. So we've been doing a lot of soft tissue work, adjustments, some stretching, and even some corrective exercises that we've given him. So we're going to show you that adjustment today, and then we're going to show you what his progress has been like later. Go ahead.
So I've been coming here the last couple of weeks. I came in with some problems with my range of motion in my hips and not really accessing the muscles in my lower back and glutes. And over the last couple of weeks I've been here, I've seen a lot of dramatic changes and a lot more explosiveness when I'm playing sports and a lot less stiffness when I'm moving around in awkward angles. So it's definitely helped a lot.
All right, let's take a look at your leg length. So you are left short today. I think technically the last couple times you've been right short because that's all we're working on. But it's good to see changes. You don't want to kind of stay stuck in the same pattern all the time.
What does it mean if one's like shorter than the other?
So typically you're going to have a shorter leg every time you go down. In most cases it'll always be the same one, but really it's just either your left hip or your right hip is rotated back. So this leg that is short, which is going to be this left side today, is kind of rotated back this way. So the way your hip's attached, when it rotates back, it pushes the leg this way, and it creates, you know, the look of a short leg. It's not that your leg is actually shorter.
Yeah.
Sometimes people are born with what they call an anatomical short leg, which either their tibia or their femur is actually shorter. But in most cases, it's just rotation of the hips or pelvis that's causing that. So we use the vibrocussor here to kind of loosen up some of this musculature around the hips before you go in there and do the adjustment. So you said you do have a lot of tenderness in that area, right?
Yeah.
And again, that's that piriformis. And I would say that's really probably just how your body's reacting to the changes we're making. You've got some soreness, probably because this muscle's now it's actually activating more.
Yeah, like you working
harder when it's kind of been closed off, shut down.
So soreness is a good thing, type.
I would say so in your case, because we're waking that muscle up.
Yes, it hasn't been worked out.
It hasn't been worked because the nerves really aren't firing down there the way they had been.
Interesting.
So it's kind of like when I was talking about the shoulder. Anytime you have that stuff going on, if you've got something going on in the neck where those nerves aren't really firing the same way, that's kind of how that tape works. It kind of raises awareness, brings more awareness to those nerves, and it activates those muscles better.
That's cool.
All right, so big deep breath in here for me. All the way out. Good. And one more time. Good.
That first one cracked good.
That one definitely cracked.
Yeah. would it be easier if I took off the jacket?
You'll actually be okay with
Okay.
this. It's fairly thin. I can feel it there.
Sore.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Left first, right, okay.
Right's more sore, but left is definitely sore.
Okay.
That was a good crack.
It was. That one too.
Yeah.
Outside of soccer, you said you are doing some exercise?
Yeah. But it's just like push-ups, sit-ups, dumbbell
Okay,
curls.
so a lot of body weight type
Yeah,
things.
a lot of body weight type things.
Okay, gotcha. I mean, a lot of times that's the best exercise. It's gonna how you're gonna really create a lot of strength for yourself. All right. I'm gonna have you go ahead and lay on your right side first.
Okay.
All right. So straighten that bottom leg for me.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull this elbow out. Good. Now let's go on the other side.
Hopefully this one goes in.
All right, so yeah, let's see if we can get this side to move again. So this is the side that's been restricted. The last time we saw him, we actually got it to move. So that's what we're shooting to do here again. Good, awesome. Definitely got some movement there.
Definitely.
Good. All right, you can go flat on your back there.
Okay.
All right, let's check the neck out. There you go.